today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make this super easy Tigernut or Tigernut pudding. It is a local dessert in Ghana. So let's jump right in. To make this dessert, of course, you need your Tigernut, which I've already soaked overnight, and I've also soaked my rice. So this is about 2 cups of tiger nuts and 3 tablespoons of long grain rice. You don't need much rice for this recipe, or else it will turn into rice pudding, and that is not what we are making today. We're making tiger nuts pudding. So I'm going to drain out the water, rinse it out, then we blend everything together. So one reason you soak your tiger nuts overnight is because when you blend it in its dry stage, you don't get enough juice. So you will want to soak it overnight so that the tiger nuts will absorb the water. Alright, so next is to transfer my tiger nut and rice into my blender, add in enough water and blend until nicely smooth. Okay, so once I'm done blending, we'll go ahead to strain our tiger nut on a cheesecloth. But if you don't have the cheesecloth, not to worry, just use your fine strainer. Just make sure you strain it a couple of times. And just look at this creamy juice. It's very nutritious. You can drink it. But for today, we're making tiger nut pudding. So we'll go ahead and transfer it onto our stove top. Okay. Now I'm going to stir it continuously in one direction until I get a thick consistency. Because if you leave it to cook on itself, it will become lumpy, and we do not want that. Okay, this is how you want it to look, very smooth without any lumps. Meanwhile, we'll turn off the heat on low to continue cooking because it is about done. Now when you get to the thick consistency, I'll go ahead to add in my brown sugar. But normally they use white sugar, okay, and they caramelize it in a separate pan. But for today, I'm using my brown sugar. We'll go ahead and add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar. To bring out the color, I'll go ahead and add in a tablespoon of molasses just to bring out the color. It is optional, you don't need to do that, okay? And we'll let it simmer for a few minutes, and that is it. You've made your delicious homemade tiger nut pudding. And guys, did I tell you this is one of my favorite desserts growing up? It's so creamy and delicious. Trust me, if you try it, you're going to love it. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!